I think foreigners do not learn tenses. They can speak English without grammar. Is it true? Who teaches here?
Sir,
Okay, you are the teacher as well.
I forgot the timings.
It's okay. 50 students in 10 years only. Can you give me more discount? I really like the way you have guided me and I'm very excited to join your classes. Thank you, sir.
In this video, my student Arrav and I do an English role play. Arrav is an admission counselor, and I am a prospective student. Watch till the end and share the mistakes in the comments.
Hi, sir.
Hi, sir.
Uh,
How can I assist you?
Sir, actually I want to learn English. I face so many problems when I speak English. Can you help me how the things can work out if I start taking classes here?
Sir, so like you can start teaching, you can
No, sir, I'm here to learn only. I don't want to teach.
So you can start taking classes from here because we.
Sir, I can't hear you. Can you speak a little louder? Yes.
Sir, so we teach English in English.
Oh, nice.
Like we have learned Hindi in Hindi, Punjabi in Punjabi.
Yeah.
Like that's how we teach English here in English.
But I think it can be very difficult to learn English in English.
No, sir. We basically teach in simple ways. Like first we start
Sorry?
from subjects, then ending to tenses.
Nice. Are tenses important? Can't we learn English without grammar?
Sir, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Sir, so basically tenses are very important.
I think foreigners do not learn tenses. They can speak English without grammar. Is it true?
No, sir. As their nationalities, like they are British. For example, in British there is a baby born. So her parents are also British. So he will learn English as their nationality is British. So
Okay.
like in India, our nationality is like our mother tongue is Hindi or Punjabi. So we only speak Hindi and Punjabi.
Okay, that's fine. So it means I need environment. If there is a proper environment, then I can speak English without grammar. Are you saying this?
No, sir. Like you have to practice also. So like you take classes here and you have to practice at home daily.
Okay.
So that is how you can learn English more easily.
Okay. Sorry, I have cough. Yes.
Do
So,
you want water?
yeah, I would like to have one glass of water.
Saksham, bring a glass of water, please. Okay.
Your staff is very helpful. So, I want to know that if you are teaching English in English only, how the students who are very weak in English manage or cooperate with the other students?
So like if they don't know any of the English, we teach them in their mother tongue.
Okay.
Like, sir,
Thank you.
take the water.
Thank you so much. So nice of you. I'm feeling better.
Sir, so as I was saying, for example, someone's mother tongue is Punjabi. So we teach them in Punjabi and they cooperate with other students with Hindi or Punjabi. And like this environment, we also teach English in between and they learn English.
Nice. One of my friends has taken classes from here. He was praising the classes a lot. He told me something about activity day. Could you tell me what is that day?
Yes, sir. On every Fridays, we do an activity session. For example, we do debates, which helps them in speaking, and we do, as we know in Hindi, we play in Intakshari.
In Takshari in English.
Yes, sir.
That sounds very interesting.
Sir, it is a game. It is a very interesting game called Get Out.
Okay. You are calling in Takshari Get Out.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that sounds really good. I'm really excited to play such activities. But you know, I have taken 3 months classes somewhere else already. But there everybody was speaking Hindi Punjabi. They were teachers also who were speaking Punjabi, and they were teaching English in Punjabi or Hindi most of the times. Nobody was speaking English. So this time I should have an environment where everybody tries to talk in English, so I can also gain that confidence to speak in English.
Sir, so yes, you are right. Most of the teachers speak in Punjabi or Hindi, and they also teach in that language. But in our class, most of the students are very hardworking, and they try to speak in English always.
Okay, so may I know how many batches are available here?
Sir, there are basically 3 batches. The first one starts at 5:30. Sorry, I forgot the timings.
It's okay.
From the morning, it starts from 8:30 to 10 in the morning, and the second batch is from, it's a new batch, 5:30 to 6:30, and our old batch is 6:30 to 8. So which batch do you want to take?
I think morning batch can work for me. What do you think? Is it a good batch?
Yes, sir, it is a good batch, as many students come, and you can cooperate with them also.
Okay. How many students are in one batch?
Sir, approximately there are 15 to 20 students in a batch.
Okay. And who teaches here?
Sir, I.
Okay, you are the teacher as well.
Yes, sir.
Nice. So how long have you been teaching?
Sir, I have been teaching for over 10 years.
Nice, but you're looking very young. Okay, that's really good. 10 years experience is very much, I guess. So how many students have you taught in this much experience?
Sir, I have taught many students, approximately 50.
50 students in 10 years only.
Yes, sir.
That's a great number, sir. What an achievement. Okay, so kindly tell me about the fee.
Sir, so
Before you tell me the fee, I want to tell you, I want to pay my fee by my pocket only, and I'm doing part-time job. So please make it as much less you can.
okay, sir. Sir, so our 1 month. Sir, so our 1 month fee is to 2,500.
Okay.
But for you, we will make it 1,500.
1,500?
So is this fine for you?
Can I pay 500?
No, sir, that's not possible.
Okay, but my friend was coming here. He said the teacher is very kind. He could give you a very huge discount if you tell about your problem. So as you know that I don't have anybody to support my education. I have to pay my fee of my college as well. Then after I need to make money with the help of a part-time job, and then I need to pay you also. Can you give me more discount?
Okay, sir, so we can give you. Is it fine for 1,000?
Yeah, 1,000 is fine for me. Yeah, that's a good deal. Would you like to take my contact number or something? Like how can I register myself for this course?
Yes, sir. You have a pamphlet.
Okay.
So there is a phone number of mine.
Okay.
You can contact us.
Okay, here is your contact
sir.
number. There are 2 contact numbers.
Yes.
Both are yours?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So would you like to take my details as well?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are they important or not?
Sir, they are not important, but you can give me.
Okay, so my name is Sagar and my mobile number is 993344556678. Okay, ji. So when can I join the classes, sir?
Sir, from tomorrow you can take the demo class.
It's Saturday. Saturday you provide demo classes?
Yes, sir. On Saturdays we have a test day to check that if our students understand the topics that we teach. So from tomorrow you can start the demo classes. We will teach you the basics like subjects and
Okay,
nouns.
that sounds great. Should I come at 8:30 only, or should I come little early?
Sir, you can come at straight 8:30 or 5 minutes before it.
Okay, that sounds really good. So see you soon, sir. Thank you so much. I really like the way you have guided me, and I'm very excited to join your classes. Thank you, sir.